Hey guys, in this video we're just gonna sit and chat because it's been a while since I've done some IRL content. I know lately I've been doing a lot of W content, but I wanted to kick back, relax, open a box that I got, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. But I also want to sit and chat with you guys, giving you guys a little bit of a life update because there has been a lot going on in my life and I just want to share it with you guys. So let's jump into this one. First things first, I got a box. Undisputed. If you haven't tried out this boxing game, you should give it a try. And I'm so excited to see what's inside, and I want to show you guys as we open this bad boy up. This is what's inside of the Undisputed box. They sent me a Undisputed snapback. Looks like a pair of Undisputed socks. Okay, you gotta have some comfortable socks. Let me open it up because y'all know me. I need to see what's going on. Undisputed socks, and just says Undisputed. Is some boxing gloves, okay, and it says playundisputed.com. Okay, so let's take a look at these. You know me, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna check. Hue in black and white. Look at that. It says Undisputed, playundisputed.com on the side. I went ahead and just put these gloves on. Listen, these are type fresh. I ain't even gonna lie to you. My people at Undisputed, y'all might have made a big mistake giving Miss T these gloves. Listen, are we ready? I don't think y'all ready, okay? Because I think I might actually use these in my room a little bit, you know? If y'all know me, listen, if you never saw me play previous boxing games or see me talk about boxing, y'all in for something, okay? Because my real ones, my day ones, y'all know what it is. I get deadly with the hands, and listen, this might have been a big mistake giving Miss T these gloves, okay? Listen, I'm taking it light on y'all. I'm taking it light. Let's take a look at what else is in this box. They also sent me some like thumb grips. I think that's what you call these, but yeah, you put it on your controller. I like these, and I actually need some because the one on my PlayStation controller keeps coming off. They sent me this cool little pin right here. It says Undisputed. And also, ooh, what's this? So dope. I gotta see where I'm gonna put this. This is actually really cool. I like, what is that like made out of? Kind of looks like, I don't know, it's given like an aluminum chrome style. I kind of like this. This was really well done, very creative. Some of the gifts that Stacks got me. I'm obsessed with Juicy Couture, and have you guys seen Mean Girls? Tell me this isn't like the cutest, I guess like a tumbler. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with Juicy. He also got me like this purse. I haven't used this little clutch bag yet, but it's so cute. It's just pink and so adorable. I love the fur. Got me the, I guess like the little clutch wallet to go with it. Oh my god, it's upside down. But yeah, he got me this one too, because a girl can't have just 1, 2, right? You didn't forget about number 3. I've already used her over the weekend. We had a game night at Stacks' house, and yeah, I had to, you know, rock this purse. So I got like the 3-piece set. He got this one for me. I'm obsessed with Juicy Couture. So if you want to get on Miss T's good side, just gift me some Juicy Couture, okay? Juicy Couture, coffee, Dunkin' Donuts. I'm a pretty simple girl. Life updates, guys. I know that's what you guys are waiting for. Some of you guys may have seen on my social media, or maybe you've seen it here on YouTube, your girl got a car. But before we talk about me and my new car, we also need to talk about my new job, okay? So I was doing Twitch and content creation like full-time, but it wasn't really paying the bills because, you know, this economy is kind of crushing us right now, okay? That also stands for us, you know, content creators most of the time. I know it's hard to believe, but we're normal people too. But yeah, so I got a new job. I'm working in marketing, and I gotta tell you guys, my new job has been awesome. I really like it. I'm busy most of the time. I'm working, doing a ton of creative things. In the marketing side of things, I'm doing like social media for them. I'm also, you know, creating graphics, things that I would normally do for myself and my brand. I'm doing for this facility that I'm working for Monday through Friday. I got the weekends off, and I work Monday through Friday during the day. So once I get home, I do have time to kind of just unwind just a tad bit, make some content, and then stream at night. So I'm still streaming on Twitch. Some of you guys don't know that I stream on Twitch, but yes, you can catch me on Twitch. The links will be down in the description below. Be sure to check it out and join my Discord. I do giveaways. We have an amazing community, and yeah, it gets real active in there. New car, and yes, she is the car that I wanted. Like I said, I'm a very simple girl most of the time. I just like really cute things. I don't need the entire world. I just need the cute things that I like. I'm so happy. You know, I went from having a Jeep, and the Jeep that I had was an awesome car when it worked, but it would always give me problems. I do not recommend Jeep because they say Jeep stands for just empty every pocket, and it's true. I was spending so much money on my Jeep, and it came down to the point where the Jeep kept breaking down, and I was putting so much money into it, and eventually it almost caught fire. Like, I kid you not, it was like the Jeep from hell. And luckily everything happens for a reason. I was going through a really rough time. My car just completely stopped working. When my mechanic went under the hood, everything was burnt, and he pretty much told me, listen, it might be time to pack this one up. Really going through it, but thank you to Stacks, who would always lend me his Tesla. He will give me rides to go to work, to come back. Like, if I needed to go run errands, he was always there for me. Like, you guys don't even understand how supportive he is, and I'm so grateful for him. He made the process so much easier. I was going through a hard time overall, but now I'm back on my feet, got my car, and it's parked right up front, right where I can see it, and I'm just so happy. Let life do its thing, and it will come to you. So I'm just kind of transitioning into these new things, and I'm just soaking it in. I'm excited. What's been going on as far as my content? I have been enjoying the W, but I do want to diversify it very soon. I'm still going to be making W content. Y'all already know I'm going to hit you guys with the sports, the wrestling, and all that, but I do want to diversify it. So I feel like on Twitch, I want to like tap into my retro bag a little bit more. I gotta beat Mafia 3 before Mafia Old Country comes out. So you guys know I was doing that. And I don't know, I'm like craving playing my PlayStation 2 and like going back and enjoying some of my day one games, like things that I will always go back to. So I might tap into that on Twitch. And you know, here on YouTube, like I said, I've been uploading all types of content, but I do want to tap into my IRL bag even more. And I know I shied away from that for a bit, but I didn't want to lose sight of it. So if there's any type of content that you guys are trying to see, let me know down in the comments, because guys, trust me, I have a ton of stories that I gotta share with you guys. We gotta do some story times. You know, down in the comments any content y'all want to see, because I'm trying to give you guys what you want to see. Okay, so yeah, just want to make this quick video giving you guys a little life update, some exciting stuff happening my way. I'm sending good energy your way, hoping that you get whatever it is you seek in life, happiness, love, whatever that may be. I'm sending you good energy, just good mana. Okay, good mana, like The Rock says, good mana your way. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay up to date with the next video, all the content I got coming your way. And until next time, deuces.